Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Emily, Barbara, and Betsy, and I'll also be using Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails, so I apply base to half of the nail and then I dip it into my clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now, starting on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into my milky white dip powder known as Emily. I did 3 layers of that. So I did this design because in a few days, August 31st to be exact, would be Trinidad and Tobago's independence. If y'all didn't know, I am from Trinidad, so I decided to do a nail design inspired by Trinidad and Tobago. Now on the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the milky white dip powder. I did 1 layer of that. In a container, I apply some of the milky white. I really like this color, so I didn't want to put too much. Then I place some of the red dip powder and a little bit of the black and I swirl it together to get the marble effect. Then I placed some base on my middle nail and I laid my finger into the marble mixture. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing the Trinidad and Tobago flag, so I apply base to the whole nail. And then using my red and white dip powder, I'm doing a color block. So just ensure to leave your finger in the dip powder for about 5 seconds before moving on to the other color. I did 2 layers of this. So if y'all didn't know, I upload natural nail dip designs on Thursdays now. So my upload dates are now Tuesdays. Thursdays and Saturdays. So make sure and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you all will know when I post. Also, next week Wednesday, which I think is the 2nd or the 3rd of September, I'll be participating in a collab with a few ladies you all may know. So make sure to turn on your post notification, make sure and watch the video when it comes out, and make sure and subscribe and like and comment and all these things. It's going to be great. So look out for that. Now, to do the black area, I was a little scared because, as you may know, black is not an easy dip powder to work with. It messes up every design. I have a video that I uploaded a while ago where the design was messed up because I used black dip powder. I'll link it in the cards or in the description below. It looked horrible. It's actually 2 designs, I think, and y'all are probably wondering why I have that design up. Well, for this particular reason, so that I could refer y'all to it to show how shitty I am when working with dip powders. Well, when working with black dip powders, but you know, I still do it. So right here, I'm dipping into my Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So this was the only alternative for me working with the black. I had to do 2 layers of the red and white first, and then just 1 layer. Only had 1 chance to do this correctly. Okay, this was, you know, the end all or be all for this design. I just needed just 1 stripe, just 1 little stripe of the black in between. That is all I needed. So you know, it was scary. It was really scary, but I think I did it. I was praying to God that it didn't bleed on the white and the red right there because I was kind of scared. But you know, it worked out. Kind of. You see how it was a little bend there? Yeah, I didn't like that. So you know, I had to try and do something. Work some magic right there. Because I wasn't going to apply any more black to that nail. That was it. It had some black residue right there. I think I used what is it called, a nail file to get that off, the black residue off the white. Oh, and right here I'm using activator because the red area was a bit white, so you know, that works all the time, and even the black area was a bit whitish, so I used the activator there as well. Anyway, now on the pinky nail I apply base to the whole nail, and then I dipped it into the white dip powder. Now I apply base again, and then I sprinkled the white dip powder and then the red dip powder. I'm trying to do an ombre nail right here. And then I applied base again, and then I sprinkled the red and then the white dip powder. So when I did that, I realized that the ombre was not looking great, in my opinion. I'm assuming it's because the red was so dark and the white was so light. However, looking at this right here, it kind of looks good. So I don't know why I removed it or why I even placed another layer to begin with. But yeah, I did another layer of that, which was a mistake. But at that point in time, it wasn't looking that good. But it's not really looking that good either. Kinda look good, but it kinda doesn't, so I don't know. But it's a good thing I did it over anyway. Okay, so I removed it and then I placed 2 layers of the white on my nails, and then I applied base and I dipped it into the Product Clear Dip powder right here. And then using my brush, I'm doing the scrub method to get my ombre, and it worked. Then I did another layer of that. If I had known before that I would be doing the scrub method, I would not have applied the 2 layers of clear dip powder because I wanted to place another layer of the scrub method, but that could have made the nail too thick, so I left it like that. So right here I'm placing another layer of clear dip powder, and then I'm doing the scrub method again with the red. I didn't see the sense in showing y'all where I'm applying the 2 layers of white dip powder, so that's why I just deleted that clip and went on to where I do the scrub method, because you know the video is already too long. So yeah, then I encapsulated the nails with some Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited a while, and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply dip powder top coat or gel top coat. And I chose gel top coat. So I'm using my Model 1's gel glue first on my index finger. And without curing, I apply my gel top coat. Then I applied some rhinestones to the nail. Then I proceeded to top coating the rest of the nails, and I cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, and happy Independence Trinidad and Tobago!